model, 67-plate Mercedes-Benz Vito 119 Bluetec Tourer Select automatic 8-seater minibus needs engine repair no VAT. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 192528. MOT, the 30th of May 2025. Engine, 2143 CCM 651 190 HP. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, will start and run, but ending is noisy, runs with a knock. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seating area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest minibus. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, minibus, start-stop, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £14,750. Click the link in the description for